ठीक। तो इंसुलिन जो इधर से क्लिक करो, जो इंसुलिन होता है तुम्हारा एक पॉलीमर फंक्शन होता है और पॉलीसक्सिनिड चैन ऑफ द ग्लाइकोजन राइट एंड ऑफ द रिड्यूसिंग स्टार्च फ्रॉम ऑफ द हेलिकल सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर होता है। प्लांट सेल वॉल मेड ऑफ सेलुलोज एंड पेपर मेड फ्रॉम द pulp या cotton fibers in the cellulose. More complex plasma nitrogen base is the adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, thymine. प्यूरिन में है एडेनिन तथा ग्वानिन। हेट्रोसाइक्लिक में है प्यूरिन और पिरामिडिन। फर्स्ट एमिनो एसिड इज कॉल्ड एन टर्मिनल एंड amino acid like amino acid is called C-terminal amino acid. Breaking and making in form of chemical reaction is catalyzed occur in a living organism together in this chemical reaction is called metabolism. Catalyzed metabolized reaction is that energy of chemical reaction it catalyzed. There is no uncatalyzed metabolism conversion of living organism. Metabolism basis for living acetic acid from the childhood lead to simple and complex structure. For the example, glucose become lactic acid in our skeletal muscles. Metabolism pathway is from of the glucose to lactic acid which is occur in the metabolism step is called glycolysis. Energy currency is the living system is the bond energy in a chemical called adenosine triphosphate मतलब ATP. In living state, blood concentration of glucose in animal healthy individual for man is 4 से 5 mm. That is the normal. Enzyme, all enzyme are protein, some are nucleic acid, behaves like enzymes. These are called ribosome. Inorganic catalyst work efficiently at the right high temperature and high pressure, which enzyme get damaged at high temperature 40 degree Celsius. Enzyme get damaged isolated from organism who normally living under extreme high temperature and catalyst lower even high temperature 80 से 90 डिग्री सेल्सियस. BA क्या है यार, BaOH2 और H2SO4 मिलकर बना रहा है BaSO4 प्लस H2O. तो इसका रेट है DDT ऑफ DP. DP मतलब प्रोडक्ट. हाइड्रोलाइसिस ऑफ स्टार्च इनटू ग्लूकोज इज एन ऑर्गेनिक केमिकल CO2 plus H2O, H2CO3 and 200 molecules of H2CO3 being formed in an hour by the living enzyme present in the cytoplasm is called carbonic anhydrase. Reaction speed dramatically with about 6 से 6 लाख molecules being every second. ग्लूकोज से 2 पायरुविक एसिड बन रहा है. एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन ठीक है. एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन एवरी रिएक्शन affecting enzyme activity of enzyme can be affected chain in contain these including pH change in substrate concentration, binding of the chemical regulate its activity. Effect of temperature, pH concentration on enzyme activity. When binding of the chemical suit of enzyme activity process inhibitor chemical is called inhibitor, such as the competitive inhibitor are often is contain bacterial pathogen. Classified and nomenclature of enzyme. Enzyme are divided into 6 classes with 4 to 13 subclass. Oxidoreductase, dehydrogenase, reductase, अब ये है तुम्हारा हाइड्रोलाइज, ये है लाइगेज, ये है